Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best multi-process welder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best multi-process welder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Forney Easy Weld 140. Forney Easy Weld 140. Forney Easy Weld 140 is a top quality multiprocessing MIG DC stick or DC TIG machine. Because it runs on 120 volt power for its input, it is a great choice to use in any location with a standard household power source available. The machine comes with an all aluminum wire feeder that can hold 2 pound, 10 pound and 2 pound wire spools. The 10-foot torch connection as well as the electrode clamp offer an array of options for placing the machine within the area of work that allows you to move around and perform more efficient work. One disadvantage of this machine is that in order to make use of the MIG process, you must purchase gas regulators. Similar to the TIG process that requires additional electrodes, a torch as well as a gas mix. With variable wire feed speeds and amperage control ranging from 10 amps up to 140 amps, the Forney Easy Weld 140 can utilize these processes on sheets of steel as fine as 32 gauge as little as 1/4 of an inch plate steel, or MIG 1/8 inch aluminum using a spool gun. For details, let's watch more. Our second best multi-process welder is LOTOS LTPDC2000D multi-process welder. This welder has 200 MIG weld and 200 TIG welding. It also comes with a third feature, which is in plasma cutter. I love that combo of MIG and plasma cutter as TIG is the most difficult and most expensive type of welding that these devices offer. Plasma cutters can open the doors for many home welding professionals and welders who would never utilize TIG setup. With dual voltages of 110V or 220V, you are able to make use of the machine in your home garage, or with a larger electrical setup in an industrial shop. I've found that the machine cuts smoothly and precisely enough using the power source for your home. If you cut too long or thick using 110V, you'll break brakes. The plasma cutter is the non-touch technology of arc pilots. It can cut straight lines through a variety of surfaces without dropping slag over your floor. The touchless technology can also add durability to your consumables that you use up faster than you imagine using metal to tip plasma cutters. With this multi-purpose welder comes with a power supply as well as a TIG torch, plasma torch and a stick clamp. It also comes with a ground clamp, and air filter regulator and a plasma cutter. Third pick in our list is Weldpro 200 amp multi-process welder. This Weldpro 200 multi-function offers the capability of TIG MIG, flux core along with stick arc welding in your shop. The machine features an aluminum drive that is all metal in order to ensure a precise and robust wire feed. The feed mechanism is able to hold 2 pound wire rolls and the 10 pound roll of wire. This inverter IGBT power source makes the machine lightweight at just 30 pounds. The TIG function is a lift type start arc with a 2-time or 4-time locking triggers to ensure that the arc is bright for longer welds. If you want to use this machine, it's need buy the appropriate gas regulator. There's no foot pedal to control the temperature in TIG mode, and this model does not work with a foot pedal. The Weldpro 200 comes with MIG gas regulators. It has torches that can be used for TIG as well as MIG processes. The Weldpro 200 comes with dual input voltages of 120 and 240 volts. Power, with the output of between 40 and 200 amps. It has an automatic compensation system in terms of speed, amperage and power to ensure the welding arc strength. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Miller Electric Multiprocess Welder. As Miller welding enthusiasts, you knew that many people would appreciate this multi-process welding. The Miller Electric Multimatic 220 has more features than other welders available. It includes all the features a multi-process welding machine needs apart from the aluminum gun for spools. However, it is in the more expensive price bracket that brought it to third place for our multi-purpose welder ranking. The machine can deliver 200 to 230 amps via a MIG lead of 10. It comes with a 13 feet stick holding clamp, as well as it comes with a 12.5 feet start torch with HF and an electric pedal for the foot. It can also have with an AC TIG input, necessary to TIG welding aluminum. Last in our best multi-process welder list is Everlast 211C Multi-Process Welder. This Everlast device is twice as heavy than its counterparts, and runs at a slightly higher amperage, offers a greater access to wire speeds as well as HF TIG starting and lift start functions. The 4T and 2T switches offer semi-automatic or manual MIG wire feeding. It's convenient to have a foot pedal within a welding kit, like this one. But, it does not have its AC TIG option or an aluminum spool gun that can be used for welding aluminum. It's not as well designed than Lincoln 210MP. Lincoln Welder 210MP and comes with a shoddy operating manual. The Everlast Power MTS 211C isn't constructed from top quality materials, but it is a great welder. A new and improved multi-process welding machine with a digital converter that gives you the power and versatility in welding. It can employ MIG, TIG and stick metals to give you more flexibility in workplaces and work projects that are to be finished. High-frequency start and raise modes for TIG as well as adjustable downslope and upslope controls to ensure that the welding process is completed with a 26 series torch that has a 12-foot cord as well as 35 series dint style connector with a foot pedal included. Maximum TIG amps that can be rated 200 amps and 240 volts amps.